A mí me gusta que me traten como dama, aunque a veces se me olvide cuando estamos en la cama. A mí me gusta que me digan poesía.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I am doing a overview and a look using the collection from Becky G and ColourPop. I do have everything here. I got the palette, the two highlighters, and the liquid lipsticks. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts and see a little overview on this collection, just continue watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now for the palette itself, it's the same concept as all the other ColourPop palettes. If you guys are familiar with them, they're cardboard. It's a really nice cardboard actually, and the lettering is beautiful. It says Salvaje, which means savage in Spanish. Now the size to the palette is very, very travel friendly, which I really love. As you can see, it is the size of my palm, which to me is very travel friendly, like I mentioned, and it's compact, which won't take up a lot of space in your suitcase. And you've got a really cute palette traveling with you. Now in the back of the palette, you can see it does come with the shade names, which I really appreciate when palettes come with their names. Now she does come with a mirror. Also another plus for traveling, you have your mirror with you in the palette. Now for the shades, you've got this beautiful array of color selection. You've got that pop of red, that pop of blue, and you've got your transition shades as well, which I really love. Then you also get that perfect brow bone shade to highlight your brow bone. Now we're gonna go ahead and dive into a quick tutorial with this palette. Okay, so starting with the shade names from the top, that one is Luna, then comes Cafecito, Estrella, Celosa. Second row would be Malbec, Patrona, Vibra, Sirena. The third row is Corona, Sangria, Caramelo, and Lola. So I'm not quite sure what look I'm going for, but I do know that I want to try out Sangria, I want to try out Corona, and I also want to test out a little bit of Estrella, pop it somewhere in the look. So let's just see what I could come up with this palette. You do have a lot of neutral and you do have a lot of good transition shades, which is really good. So I'm going to start off with a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to grab a little bit of Caramelo. As you can see, there's not so much fallout, which is good. I mean, you get a little bit, but not as intense. Now I'm just going to apply that all over the crease and just basically spread it all over the eye just to give me a layer of color. Okay, so I did zoom you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see the color and how it's turning out. As you can see, Caramelo is so pretty, even by itself. You just pop some lashes, liner, and a very dark lip, and it's really nice. Very beautiful color. Now I'm going to go into Sangria because I really want to try this shade out. And I'm going to use a different brush. I didn't tell you guys the first brush I used. The first brush I used was the BH Cosmetics Fluffy Brush, which I love. For the next shade, I'm going to be going in with an e.l.f. crease brush, which is just smaller to be able to fit into the crease. And I'm going to take some Sangria. I'm going to be adding Sangria to the outer corner. Now, oh wow, this is such a very beautiful red, like a reddish brick brown. Gorgeous shade. Oh my god, it's so pigmented too. Look at that. I'm just kind of tapping it on and then bringing it up. Alright, so there is Sangria, and we have it on the outer corner, and it's blended towards the lid. I love doing that. It just gives it a very nice blended look. And I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Caramelo and just buff out the edges. Now for my non-Spanish speakers, Sangria is a beverage. It's a Latin beverage made out of grapes. It's so delicious. You guys gotta try it whenever you go to a Mexican restaurant or any Hispanic restaurant. It comes in a bottle. I'm gonna pop it up here, and it is one of the best drinks, and it is one of my favorite drinks. It does have that little fizz like if it's a soda, but it's made out of grape. It's just delicious. You just gotta try it. And caramelo is caramel. So we've got caramel and we've got sangria going on in the look already. Now I love the blendability of these shades. They blend so well together. They're not patchy whatsoever. I don't know. I am just really loving the way this is turning. I think I'm gonna just pop in some Celosa, which is just a little bit more of a rose gold, and Patrona is more of like a pink shade. So I'm gonna go in with Celosa, and I think I'm gonna leave you guys zoomed in so you guys can see it. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of Celosa with my finger, and let me just show you guys. Look at that. Very beautiful. Oh my god. All right, so I'm gonna pop in Celosa right in the middle, right here. Just gonna pop it right there to blend in with sangria. Look at that. I hope the camera is picking it up, but it is so beautiful. And this is without even wetting. I didn't even use a brush. I'm just using my finger. But I think you get better payoff when you use a shimmer and you use your finger. Plus, it's so much easier too because you just dab it on like this and you just blend it with your finger. Look how beautiful that looks. Now for the inner corner, I don't know if I want to do Corona or if I want to do Estrella. But I feel like with the look that I have going right now, I could probably use... I'm going to go with Estrella because that's going to give me that pop in the inner corner of the lid and just open up the eye more. So I'm going to grab some with a flat brush, and this is an e.l.f. Concealer brush. I'm going to go ahead and just grab some. And of course, I'm just going to spray a little bit of it because I want it to be intense. I'm not cutting the crease because we don't always have time to cut the crease, but you can always just do it with the shade. Oh, this is very pigmented and beautiful. So Estrella does look a lot lighter in the pan, but when you place it on your lid, it's not as light. Can you see that? It's like a very beautiful light gold. I'm gonna try using my finger on the other side just to see how it looks with your finger. Oh shoot, I think you get more of a payoff with your finger. I'm glad I don't have nails because I can actually go very nicely in the inner corner. This shimmer is so much prettier with your finger, so make sure you use your finger with the shimmers. And I am bringing that shade out here as my inner corner as well. So I did turn off the ring light because I want you guys to see the true color of it, how beautiful the shimmer is. Sometimes lighting ring lights can wash out the color and lose the pigment, or you can lose the shimmer, but look how beautiful it looks all blended together. All the three colors combined look so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes, eyeliner, finish the bottom waterline, and we're gonna continue with the highlighters because I did pick up both of them and we are going to see how they look. Okay, so next we are diving into the highlighters that I have right here. This is my first time ever testing out a loose highlighter, so we're gonna see how that goes. They do have two. It's Princesa, which means princess, and Chisme, which means gossip. Okay, so here are the two highlighters. You have Princesa, which is more of a white with pink reflex, really, really pretty. And you have Chisme, which is more of a gold peachy reflex to it. The packaging is so cute. You have her name on there, Becky G, with ColourPop, and around it you've got the blue little flowers going around the container. Really, really cute. Now these are Luster Dust loose powders, and they do come sealed with the plastic, and I'm going to take it off. It can get pretty messy in here right now. So okay, so I'm going to go in with Chisme first, and I'm going to just tap some onto the lid like that. I'm going to grab my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm going to swirl it around just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and pop that right. Oh my god. Are you guys seeing that? This is beautiful. You guys seeing that? Come on, camera, pick it up, please. This is so pretty. I saw a couple reviews on it, and people were saying that it was very, very subtle. I don't see any subtleness at all. It looks very, very pigmented and really beautiful. Oh my god. It's just a beautiful, like, sheen glow. It's that type of highlight that you grab just a little bit with your brush and you just spread it everywhere, and it gives you such a beautiful wet look glow. I kid you not. It looks so beautiful. In person, it looks beautiful. I'm looking at my monitor and I can't really see it. Like I said, sometimes the lighting, but it looks gorgeous. So I'm going to go in with Princesa on the other side, and it is more of a lighter white with pink, as of Chisme is more of a gold. You guys can see that, the difference. And that tiny bit right there is too much. So these are tiny, but they are going to last you a very long time, because a little bit of it goes a long way. So I'm just going to dust off my powder brush, and I'm going to go in with Princesa. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful when you swirl it. Let me see if I can show you guys. When you swirl it around, you get that beautiful pink pigment. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. Okay. Okay. Can you see that? When I turn, you can see the reflection right here. It looks so pretty. And then you can even add it as a blush topper. Look at that. Wow, it looks so pretty. I am in love with this. This is my first time trying out a loose highlighter, and I really like it. Okay, so from the two of them, I really, really like both of them. This one is a lot more pink. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it does have a lot of pink reflex, which looks beautiful. And this would probably look so, so gorgeous on a tan or a chocolate beautiful skin. Oh my god, that would look so gorgeous. As well as Chisme. Princesa does look really, really beautiful. It's just a little too pink for my liking. If I look straight ahead, you can't see like that shadow. You know, sometimes like when a highlighter is too dark on your skin, you get like that darkness right here. It looks like a bruise or something. It's not getting that. I like it. It gives you a very nice reflect of the gold and of the pink. Really nice highlighters. I am obsessed with these so far. Okay, so I went ahead and turned off the lighting again so you guys can see how it actually looks without the ring light. It looks so pretty. You guys can see that sheen right there, that pink reflex on it. And then this one has the gold. I don't know, but I am really, really obsessed with these loose powders. They look so gorgeous. I put a little bit on the nose and a little bit on the chin. and it's not glittery. I mean, it does have glitter, but it's not so visible once you place it. Now the trick is to kind of tap it on and then brush it out. Don't go in with your powder on the brush and start right away swirling it and spreading it around. You want to kind of just place it, dabbing it, and then you start spreading it. That is the trick for these loose highlighters. So okay, so now for lips, the collection did come with 5 lip products. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys each one and the name of it. I'm not going to swatch every one of them because the video is probably already long. Okay, so here are the 5 lip colors that come in the collection. Really beautiful wearable colors. And the packaging has the same design as the highlighters with the blue little flowers. As you can see, really cute. Gold top and her name on it, Becky G, and ColourPop. Okay, so I'm not going to be doing lip swatches with every single shade in this video. I will link up the one that I am going to do separately just for the liquid lips, so you can see how they perform and how they look on my skin tone. For today's video, I'm just going to choose one of the shades, and I think I'm going to go with Chola, which is this one right here. Now, the names are so freaking cute. I think that if you're a Latina, these are all words that are so relatable to you, that you grew up listening to, and we've all heard them. So Chola means like a gangster girl, you know, a thuggish girl. We also have Secreto, which is this one right here, and this one is called Secret. Then we have Flor, very beautiful. It's like a very orange tint to it, orangey tint. And Flor means flower. We also have Mija right here, which is very pretty, very nudie, like a nude pink. Really wearable shades. This is what I love. They're very wearable. Now, Mija is a sweet way of calling someone like, hey girl, or hey mija, you know, it's a Latina thing, you know, hey mija, hey mijo. Now, the last one is called Bésame. Bésame means kiss me. And a very beautiful red. For this look, I think I'm going to go in with Chola because it complements the look, the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this one on. And if you guys are familiar with the liquid lipsticks from ColourPop, I feel like they are really good. Very comfortable to wear. Oh wow. This reminds me back in high school. These shades were the ones that we would wear with the thin brows, and I don't know, it just takes me back. Okay, so that's going to complete this quick little overview and look using the ColourPop Becky G collab collection. Now, I've got to say the palette is really good. I really love it. I love the shades. I love the formula. Now, the highlighters, I've got to say, are really good. Really good. Now, the liquid lips, I mean, truly really comfortable formula. Now, the whole collection was $58, which to me, I've got to say, is a huge deal. I mean, there are palettes that are costing you like $45 to $50 palettes, just a palette by itself. And this whole collection was $58. You're getting 5 liquid lipsticks, you're getting 2 loose highlighters, and your palette. I mean, to me, it's such a huge deal. Plus, you can get it for like a Christmas present. It's really good. I am really obsessed with my first collection from ColourPop, so I am so happy that I picked it up. Now, please let me know in the comment section if you guys are picking it up, if you guys picked it up. What do you guys think? Don't forget to check out my other video with the rest of the swatches because I didn't want to make this video too long. So be on the lookout for that video, and I will most definitely be doing more looks with this palette because I have to hit the other shades like Sirena, Corona, Malbec. Those are really nice shades that I also want to play with. Alright, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I do have a giveaway that is almost over, so make sure you guys head over to that giveaway video and check it out so you guys can be entered for the huge, amazing giveaway. Alright, I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you and besos. Bye.